Welcome to episode number 2 of our Locking Fundamentals series, and today we'll be working on our wrist twirl. In case you didn't know, I'm Ceech, I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills, and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because this takes time and patience. Now for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. Okay, let's talk about wrist twirl. This is one of those most fundamental part about locking, and you see it all the time when lockers lock. They've got a wrist twirl. Okay, so breaking this down, let me sit a little bit closer so you guys get a better view here. Okay, so we're focusing on the wrist. I'm gonna sit sideways. In drill number 1, one of the views, instead of the back view, you guys notice in the back view, it makes no sense because I'll be covering it, right? So first thing on this drill is we are focusing just on the wrist. Later on, you'll see that we're gonna work on the entire arm, but right now, just focus on the wrist. All right? Let me go this way. So I want to imagine that I'm gonna go this way. Imagine you're knocking on the door. Sometimes you knock on the door this way, but imagine you're flicking this way. Your wrist, you're hitting. Okay, hitting a door or a drum or something like that. So we're gonna start this way, and you're gonna go back towards you. Okay, so imagine this drum right here. You're hitting on the one, and what happens is right when I hit it, boom, it releases and it kind of bounces back. So don't stay. It's not 1. Okay, it's 1, and you flick back. Come back to this position. Okay, so 7, 8, 1, and then turn around. This is where the twist or the twirl happens. So right now, imagine your palm is facing away from your face. You're going 1, turn around, 2. So there's 2 drums. This drum here and this drum here, in front of you, and then further away from you. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So in our first drill, we went 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? But the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we did it slow, half time, right? Half time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we did that for 2 times, all right? So don't worry about getting your arms all right. The first drill is just making sure that you know the timing. The timing is boom, hit the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the important thing. And you do not stick it. Sticking, it's very sticky, it stays. There's no staying, it just bounces off. Okay? Bounce off, bounce off, bounce off, bounce off. After it bounces off, it comes back. And now what you want to do is have what Shigapa told me, it's called a loose fist. Okay? It's not like this, it's not a tight fist. It's loose. And the finger's not open. Now later on, if you want to be very creative, you can do one thing or two, whatever you want. But for now, learn it the way it was taught to me at least. This right here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or in our case, slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do that for 2 8 counts. Then we want to be able to speed it up. Okay, so the tempo part, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you gotta do is hit every beat. 1, 2, and this twirl part is gonna be quicker, right? You have less time to get there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a great way to get great drill to get started, to train your wrist to hit the beat. Your wrist is still hitting the beat, okay? By just kind of like you're revving a motorcycle. Boom, boom. This way and this way. Turning your wrist. And look, this is only a 180-degree turn. Because it looks so fast, it looks like you're doing a lot, but it's not. It's just a 180-degree twist. That's it. Or a twirl, okay? So this drill shouldn't be too hard, but the timing and consistency and training your forearm or your wrist to be able to be agile, to be able to react to the beat. Okay, so the beat that we chose, slightly fast. It's not too fast, but a lot of lockers like to dance to something that's even faster. So, you know, for future drills, stuff like that, maybe we can speed things up to train our speed. Right now, here, that's drill number 1. Get through that before you get to the other drills, because then we're gonna start incorporating other parts of the body. All right. So this number 1 drill, very, very important. Drill with me. Continue to drill. As I talk, you should see the 2 screens on the right side, the right and the left. Kind of continue to drill. If this is your second time or future time, if you've seen this already before, so you can kind of block out my voice, but just focus on the drill. But also continue to do that. All right. I know I'm talking a lot longer because I want you guys to drill this down. All right, guys. Finish this one. Get to drill number 2, and I'll see you right there. Okay guys, now we're expanding, right? We're expanding the twirl, not just from the wrist part, but we're adding the entire arm, as well as some of the chest, the torso, okay? So let's break this down. We start off here. Instead of in drill number 1, I kind of had you guys start here, it's simple. Now you're gonna start this way, like your palm is facing towards you, okay? So right before you start, you come in and you do that 180-degree turn here, and instead of just here, right there, look at my forearm. I want to get it out here, okay? Try to get that good 90-degree elbows out to the side. Also from the side, you see, I'm opening up. I want to get this big. So from here, when I start, I kind of just relax, okay? And then right on the 1, boom, up here, pull right here. So now I'm imagining there's a drum right here, and I'm hitting it on the 1 right here. Typically, a lot of people teach it to twirl or close the ear around here. And I like that. I think it looks good. I think it's fast versus twirling it out here. Maybe there's some people that make it look cool twirling out here, but I personally prefer to twirl here, and it was the way it was taught to me. So I would suggest that you guys start here. If you want to get creative and start twirling way out there, that's fine. But now, here, okay? So we have right here, you want to open up. So you start with your chest or with your elbow facing forward, okay? So this is more like a and. As you open up here, elbows to the side, chest out. One, right here is one. One. Immediately, remember how we bounce off the one? Same with the elbow. One. After this, as you're coming in this way. So the elbow's pointing forward because now I'm gonna drop it forward. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slow count is you hold the 2 and 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. So from here, this bounce also, it's a quick boom, and then come up, like I'm doing a bicep curl, right? Boom, come up here, boom, okay? So then the third and the fourth 8 count is faster. So now you gotta really incorporate, think about opening up, and almost like I'm closing in my chest. Open the chest, closing the chest. It's not so much like this, it's not so much my back here. I keep my back straight, and it's more like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's a very, very good basic drill, basic twirl. Okay? Get that in, get the speed in. We put breaks in there. We slow it down at first, and we speed it up, and we go back to slow. Okay? I have, you guys see I have the cues in there, cueing you when to go halftime and when to go tempo. Okay? So the focus, when it's on tempo, you gotta speed it up. And as you speed it up, it's very, very important that you still follow the beat, because what happens is I see too many times, because it's so fast, in your brain you're going, this is faster. So this thing gets really, really fast and it's off beat. It's too early. So you still gotta relax, still gotta focus on being on beat and make sure you connect. Because the moment that you do this, it should be the same time you hear the boom, 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 boom. Okay? Alright guys, this is drill number 2. Hopefully you guys understand it. And then, if you understand it, just drill it. Because I got the video playing on the side right now. Just drill with me. Okay? If you need a break, yeah, put your arms down. I know it gets sore. I get sore too, but this is good because now you're really, really training, getting that muscle memory in. All right, guys, finish this one. Be comfortable with it and then we'll move to drill number 3. We're gonna add more stuff. Made a drill number 3. This is great because now we're not going to go slow anymore. Everything is fast now. All right, so hopefully by now, your arms kind of getting used to the speed. All right, now we're talking about different arm angles because we don't want to do this all the time. We want to be able to go different angles. Okay, so here are the different angles. We have 1, 2, which is what we've done. Okay, 3, 4. We're going to throw it all the way across our body, and it's okay to turn your body. It's okay to look as well. Okay? The idea is that you're just not only finishing to the front. Okay? So we have 1, 2, and this one is still open. You still gotta, open this up. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4, I'm going across. Okay? 5, 6. On the 6, I'm going away. Okay? 7, and then 8. On the 8, I'm just gonna slap the side of my lap right here. 7 and 8. So the first set, I do my right arm. Second set, I do my left arm. Okay, so we want to make sure both arms is just as nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing across the body. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then the next 2 8 count, we're going to do both arms at the same time. All right. 4. So obviously this one you're not going to be able to cross so much, but just cross as much as you can. All right. I mean, even this is fine. Okay. So 1. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we repeat that. So 8 count number 3 and number 4, 2 times. 2 times. We do double arm. So we go single arm, double arm, double arm. Single arm, double, single, double. There you go. Okay. The hard part I think about this one is really keeping track. Which arm did I just do? Wait, is it single arm or double arm? So use a cue that I provided in the video. I'll call out single arm, double arm. So when I say singles, we're gonna start with the right. I'm not gonna really bore you with all that too much message, all right? I'm gonna say single arm. It's right side, left side. Double arm, do it 2 times. And then single arm to right side. Hopefully you guys got that, all right? So again, this is really a lot of training now. We're really training. You should be pretty sore. If you haven't taken a break, your arms should be kind of sore. Go ahead and kind of massage yourself and get back to it. All right, guys. Hope you guys have fun with this one. This is part 1 of the wrist twirl, because by itself right now, this is all just arms. When you're ready, when you feel like you're comfortable, go to part 2, because part 2 is also basic, but that's when we're gonna start adding other parts, because wrist twirl can't just be by itself. Wrist twirl is something that you add along with everything else. You know what I mean? So you do this with, we're gonna introduce the march. So as you're wrist twirling, your leg should be doing something. Your leg is not just standing there the whole time. Also, same with your neck. The neck movement. So that's something that you want to check out too. Make sure you understand the whole body movement series. The neck very, very important. And we're gonna incorporate that into the wrist twirl. All right, guys. So if you're ready, we'll jump on to part 2 of the wrist twirl section. If you're not, feel free to repeat this one. Really train this right here. Make that smooth. Make it like butter. Make it good. So when people see you, they're like, "Wow, how do you do that?" And that's the idea. It's not that difficult. Once I showed you, all of this is it's an 80-degree turn, but you're adding this knock thing. All right. Great, guys. I'll see you. Keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next drill.